The war of words between Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has escalated. The latest statement from Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan was that Rahul Gandhi is a leader who has fled North India and is contesting from Wayanad. He went on to say that Rahul Gandhi and the Prime Minister have the same voice when they are speaking against the state of Kerala. All this to and fro began earlier after the elections were announced itself, when the Chief Minister started making statements to the tune that Rahul Gandhi during his Nyay Yatra did not speak anything against the CAA, neither does the Congress manifesto talk about it. He went on to criticize Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party and said that a vote for Congress you can never trust, because today's Congress is tomorrow's BJP. Many of the leaders from the Congress are leaving Congress and joining BJP, so they should vote for the left in the state of Kerala. And CAA has been something which the left front and the Chief Minister himself has been using and talking about, stating that it is only the left front who can fight the BJP in this. So this is something which has been going on, and when Rahul Gandhi came to Wayanad, he spoke on this matter. He spoke against Kerala Chief Minister, saying that, Kerala Chief Minister has been criticizing him, but he is not talking against Narendra Modi or the BJP and RSS. Rahul Gandhi went on to ask why, when other chief ministers are in jail, there is no inquiry against the Kerala Chief Minister. So to this, the Kerala Chief Minister again retorted and said that, don't think you can scare us by talking about jail. When your grandmother was ruling during emergency, she had put us in jail for 1.5 years. We are not people like Ashok Chavan in your party who will be scared when we hear the term jail and rush and join some other party. And now this latest comment by Pinarayi Vijayan. The Congress leaders in this state, as well as at the top, Rahul Gandhi himself, have been coming out and talking against this. The Congress leaders in the state are saying that there is a secret understanding between the BJP and the left front in this state. Now, why this attack directly against Rahul Gandhi himself? Because we saw in 2019, Congress-led UDF won 19 out of 20 seats, and the left front could win only 1 seat in the state of Kerala. And a great deal of that was also due to the fact that Rahul Gandhi stood from Wayanad. There was a wave in favor of the Congress. So this time also the left front is worried whether there will be a similar trend. And right from the time the announcement of Rahul Gandhi's candidature from Wayanad, even last time, the leaders of the CPM has been telling that what is the message that Congress and Rahul Gandhi is trying to give by contesting from Wayanad. Are they trying to say that left is their main opposition? They are contesting from a place where there is no single BJP MLA or MP. They should have fought, Rahul Gandhi should have fought from any part of northern India where the BJP is the main force or the main opposition. So this was the line. For the left front also, this is like a do or die, because we know the only state from where they are expecting the maximum seats is the state of Kerala. So here they are trying hard, and in the state of Kerala, the fight is between the Congress and the CPIM. So they are trying to fight it out in the state itself, not giving any concession to any leader.